stay. I'm torn into pieces. There's a fire starting in my heart. Chest voice, chest voice, chest voice, chest voice. And I'm switching to mix voice so I can get higher. Want to find your sound and have more control over your voice? Well, this is my Find Your Sound series, and today we're talking about unleashing your chest, mix, and head voice, the three different parts that are hidden inside of all of our voices. Chances are, after you explore your chest, mix, and head voice, you'll have a better understanding of your sound. Hi, my name is Olivia Peck. I'm your local millennial voice teacher, and I've been a teacher for 10 years and counting. I really think that chest, mix, head is a great way to talk about the voice. Everyone is different. You might have a lighter voice, a heavy voice, or something in the middle. Your voice type does factor into this as well. All right, let's talk about chest voice, mixed voice, and head voice, shall we? I like to refer to both chest voice and mixed voice as your speaking voice, basically. Chest voice is a little heavier, though. Hey, hey, hey! Some people who have heavier voices can actually get pretty high in their chest voice with no strain at all. Lighter voices, like mine, can only bring their chest voice up to a certain point, and then you have to adjust to make that sound big without pushing. It's very similar to your speaking voice. A lot of people don't realize this, and they try to add all of these different sounds and effects with their voice. But really, if you stick to your speaking voice, you're gonna have that powerful sound just by tapping in to your regular schmegular, hey, how's it going, voice. Mixed voice comes in, it lives in your middle range, and it's that nasally and flexible sound that you get when you go meow or when you go, oh, hi. They're all kind of part of your speaking voice, but it's a little bit smaller in a way. It's got that ping to it. It's clear a lot of the time. A lot of people don't realize that their mixed voice is pretty available as well. They'll do all these things like try to make their voice more nasally. God, what have you done? They end up pushing. Really, all you have to do is go, ha, hey, wow, meow. For some people, that's really all it takes to find, God, what have you done? When you tap into that excited voice, oh, wow, put a little smile on your face, that can actually help you find your mixed voice. My favorite exercise for finding mixed voice is doing meow, 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 meow. And I do that one quite a lot, even in the woods. I think I'm gonna summon some sort of wild cat. Head voice, though, is different than your speaking voice. It's that hooty sound. It's not just reserved for classical singing, though. You hear a lot of voices use it all the time.
Singers like Leify and Billie Eilish, Chappell Roan, Benson Boone.
A lot of these popular artists that are coming on the scene right now use head voice quite a lot. Head voice is a game changer if you've never really realized what it is. I talk about the soft palate sometimes because that's just a staple of singing. That lifted feeling back there. Oh. I have a whole video on soft palate, and I talk about it in other videos, so definitely check that out if you're curious about that. The best way I can describe head voice is when you sigh, oh, and that light feeling you get is your head voice. There are different ways to unlock your voices and to find your strengths in them, and that's where voice lessons come in, and a little bit of experimentation. Test out these different voices with a slide. See how high you can go in each voice. If you're sliding in chest voice, hey, once you feel it starting to feel like pushed, just know, okay, that might be the top of my chest voice. I'm either gonna have to adjust what I'm doing, either by making the sound a little more mixy or some other way to bring that up higher. A lot of people with lighter or medium voices, though, are going to have to tap into their mixed voice. It sounds like this. Chest voice, chest voice, chest voice, chest voice, and I'm switching to mixed voice so I can get higher. If I were to sing that all my chest voice, I might end up straining, and I also might not get as high as I want to, and it's gonna sound a little shouty. We all know that when we listen to ourselves back and it sounds like we're screaming, and I mean like the shouty, not fun scream, like you know what I'm talking about. When it sounds like you're yelling. The head voice slide is something you should get accustomed to as well. Find a favorite vowel. Bonus tip, some vowels are going to bring out different parts of your voice naturally because our vowels shape our instrument. If you find is easiest when you're trying to find your chest voice, use that vowel to bring out that chest voice. If you find that E is the best to unlock your mixed voice, maybe like O is best for your head voice. We gotta find what best works for you. All right, well, keep watching videos in this series to help find your sound and find what parts of your voice you really like and come naturally to you. Sign up for my Find Your Voice workshop or for a voice lesson. Something I feel like I'm good at is helping people find what works best for them, finding their style. Every voice is different, but I think I'm pretty good at finding out your strengths. So definitely reach out to me at oliviapeck.com if you're interested in doing a one-on-one with me. But most importantly, I hope you have the best day or night and tune in to the next one to help unlock your sound. Take care of yourselves and each other.